Good morning, dear children. Good morning, Henin. How are
Good
you,
morning,
Henin?
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nandana, Adikesh, Amin. How are you all? Salim?
Fine.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let us start solving linear equations. Adlio, let us start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have last day we solved the linear equations of the type both side we have variables. So if both side variables are there, we have to collect the variables to one side and transpose the constants to the other side, then find the value of the variable, whatever be the value of the variable. Okay. Now we are doing some word problems, that is problems related to our life situations. Okay, using and we can solve those situations, those problems using linear equations. Okay, so let us start. First question. Write the question. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 52 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Write the question. Amina thinks a number. Amina thinks a number. Amina thinks a number and subtracts 5 by 2, not 52. Subtract 5 by 2. Subtract 5 by 2 from it. Not 52. Children, it's not 52, 5 by 2. Subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. What is the number? What is the number? Read the question thoroughly. So, how can we start with? Let the number be? Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then, what she's doing with that number? Subtracting 5 by 2 from that. So, x minus 5 by 2. X minus 5 by 2. By the given condition, we can write by the given conditions. Given conditions. Conditions what? X minus 52. Now, again, what she's doing? The result now obtained is, and she multiplies the result by 8. So, what's next? Multiplying by 8.
x minus 5 by 2 into 8.
Yes, yes. Multiplying by 8, we get x minus 5 by 2 into 8. Then, the result now obtained, that is this x minus 5 by 2 into 8, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. So what? X into 5 minus 2 into 8 is equal to 3 times the number. Yes, 3 times the number she thought of, which means the number she thought of is x. So it is 3x. Now we have a linear equation with us. Now we can solve this. Okay. Now all of you try to solve it. Eight x minus 5 by 2 into 8 equal to 3x. 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. So x equal to, find. X equal to Fadil, x equal to
Ma'am,
equal to 4.
ma'am, there we multiply x by 8.
Yes. What did you ask?
There did we multiply x by 8?
Yes, we have to multiply 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
X minus 5 by 2 no. So we should multiply x by 8 by x and 5 by 2. What is the answer? What is the required number?
4.
4. The required number is 4. Write the answer in that way. The required number is required number is 4. Okay. Shall we move to the next question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you explain it once again?
Okay. Which step you have doubt?
Ma'am, I was absent in the last class. So I
Okay.
didn't understand.
Okay. Here, nothing new we had discussed. We are starting from the beginning of this lesson. The same thing we are doing. Solution of finding linear equations. Okay. And we have done many word problems now. The same type. One of the word problem. Only that. What is given? Amina thinks of a number. So let the number be x. Okay. And subtract 5 by 2 from it. So we subtracted 5 by 2 from x. So x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result by 8. So x minus 5 by 2 into 8. Okay. We are doing the conditions given in the question. Only that. Now, what happened when we multiply x minus 2 by 8? It will be equal to 3 times the number she thought of. The number she thought of is x. So 3x. Okay, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now simplification. Now after this only the simplification. I will explain. Get done simplify. That is multiply x into 8. 8x minus 5 by 5 by 2 into 8 equal to 3. Here we can cancel 4. 3x. 3 times the number now. So 3x. So 8x minus 3x equal to 20. 5x equal to 20. X equal to 20 by 4. 20 by 5, 4. Okay, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same type of problems we are doing throughout this lesson. Only one thing we are doing. What was it? Solution of linear equation. So we have some, in all the questions, some conditions will be given. Read the question thoroughly and construct the linear equation. Form the linear equation, then solve it. Okay. So next question.
Ma'am, can you show the previous question?
Over.
No, ma'am.
Yesterday I sent some homework questions. Do those questions. You should be thorough with solving linear equations. So do all the practice problems I have sent to you. Otherwise, you won't get speed in solving this type of questions. This is very important in your coming years also, this type of solving. Over, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, next one. A positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? all write the question? Children, did you write the question? Okay. Now we have two numbers. A positive. Okay. 5 times. Okay. A positive number is 5 times another number. We have two numbers. A positive number and another number. Positive number is 5 times another number. Positive number is 5 times another number. So which we will take it as x?
Positive number.
So how can we express?
Another.
Positive number is 5 times another number.
Another number.
Another number is x. Another number is x. Let x. Then positive number. Positive number is, if another number is x, positive number is
5x.
5x. 5x. A positive number is 5 times other number. So let another number be x. So the positive number is 5x. Now 21 is added to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both, what happened? Numbers are x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now one more condition is given. Then what happened? 21 is added to the numbers. One of the new number becomes twice the other number. So how can we express?
5x plus 21 is equal
Yes.
to 2
Will be
times
equal to the
x
larger
plus
number
21.
will be equal to twice the smaller number. X plus 21, 2 into. Now you can solve it. Okay. So this way you have to form the linear equation. Read the question thoroughly, form the equation. After that, it very easily you can solve it. So solve 5x plus 21. 2 into x plus 5x plus 21 equal to 2 into x plus 21. Solve it. Find the value of x.
Ma'am, 7.
X equal to 7. So x equal to 7. So the positive other positive number is
35.
Number is 5x. That is 7 into 5, 35. Therefore, the required numbers are 7 and 35.
So here we have to take 5 plus 2x is equal to 21 plus 42.
Yes?
And should we take it like 5x plus 2x is equal to 21 plus 42?
21 plus
42.
21, not 21 plus 42. 5x minus 2x. We transpose 2x to this side. Equal
So
to,
in the previous question we didn't do like that, right?
I will show. 5x minus 2x equal to 42 minus 21. That is 3x equal to 21. X equal to 7. Previous question I will show. See, 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. See, 8x minus 3x equal to 20. We transpose 3x to the...
Here negative sign was already there, right?
Where?
8x, it was 8x minus 20, right? So
yes.
that negative sign was already there.
A negative sign is already there. When we transpose to the other side, become positive. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Try all the practice problems I have sent. Then it will be thorough for you. Otherwise, you will have many confusions. These days, I have sent many practice problems. Do those problems. Next one.
Ma'am, can you show the second question?
Over.
No, ma'am.
Are you writing the question or answer?
Answer, ma'am.
Right. Seven and 35.
Okay, ma'am.
Right next to. Very, very important question, this one. Did you write the question?
No, ma'am.
Over.
No, ma'am.
Did you write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this question you can do as a homework. I will explain some other question. Okay. So this question, do it as homework. Before that, I will explain one question similar to this one. Okay. Very
Ma'am,
important.
can you show the question one more time? Can you show the question one more time?
Answer. This one, no? Over?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, should we write the next question?
No, next question. I will read. I will write on the board. You write that. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. The digits of a number differ by 3. The digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged, and the resulting number is added to the original number, and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? Very good question it is. What can be the original number? Digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. All of you wrote the question?
No, ma'am.
See, a number 82. A number 82 we can write 10 into 8 plus 2. Isn't it? Number 82 equal to 10 into 8 plus 2, because in 82 there are 8 tens. Okay, so 8 into 10 or 10 into 8 plus 2. And 56 can be written as, how many tens will be there? 5. 5 into 10 plus 6. 56 can be written as 5 into 10 plus 6. Understood all of you? That one? Okay. Now see, in this question, we have a 2-digit number. And the digits of a 2-digit number differ by 3. The digits are differ by 3. Okay. So let us take the unit place digit. The unit place digit of a 2-digit number B. This is a 2-digit number. So it has tens place and unit place. We took the unit place digit as B. Okay? Unit place digit as B. Then what will be the tens place digit? The digits of the 2-digit number differ by 3. So what will be the tens place digit?
B plus 3.
Tens place digit is equal to B plus 3. Good, because they differ by 3. So tens place digit will be B plus 3. Okay. So we got digit in the unit place and digit on the tens place. Okay. See, 26. 6 is the unit place digit. 2 is the tens place digit. If it is not given, 26 is not given. Only this much is given. Digit on unit place is 6 and digit on tens place is 2. So what will be the number? 2 into 10 plus 6, 26. If the digit on unit place is 7, unit place digit is 7, tens place digit is 8. Then what will be the number? 10 into 8 plus 7, 87. Okay. The same way, we have a 2-digit number and its unit place is B and 10's place is B plus 3. So what is the number then? The 2-digit number. Therefore, the 2-digit number is, what is 2-digit number then? Unit place is given 10. Yes, it is equal to, yes.
B plus 3 into 10 plus 3.
Yes, yes. So B plus 3 into 10 plus B. Understood all of you this? The digit is B plus 3 into 10 plus B, because B is the unit place digit and B plus 3 is the tens place digit. So B plus 3 into 10 plus B. Okay. Now in the question again, what is given? If the digits are interchanged, the digits are interchanged, which means the digits are interchanged. Digits are interchanged. Then what happens? If the digits are interchanged, then unit place digit will be, what will be the unit place digit? If the 87, if the number digits are interchanged, what we will get? 78. So in this case, when the digits are interchanged, the unit place digit will be what?
B plus 3.
B plus 3 here, because B is the unit place. The first case, B is the unit place, B plus 3 is the tens place. They are interchanged. So unit place digit will be B plus 3 and tens place, tens place digit is B. In that case, the number is, when we interchange the digit, then the number is what? Then the number is what? Tens place digit is B. So B into 10 plus unit place digit is B plus 3. Okay. Here B plus 3 into 10 plus B. That we can write 10B plus 30 plus B. And it is equal to 11B plus 30. Here also 10B plus B plus 3. So it is 11B plus 3. 11B plus 3. Up to this, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is given? Again, the given condition is when they interchange and we add these two numbers. When we add the original number and interchanged number, we will get 143. So by the given condition, or adding two numbers, adding two numbers, we get the first number is 11B plus 30 plus 11B plus 3 equal to 143, equal to 143. See, now we have a linear equation. You can solve it. Understood? Try to solve. 11B plus 11B is 22B plus 33 equal to 143. 22B equal to 143 minus 33. So it is equal to 22B equal to 110. (22) B equal to 110, B equal to 110 by 22, and it is equal to, find B is equal to 110 by 22. Lakshmi, what is B? 110 by 22. Lakshmi CV.
Yes, ma'am.
B equal to?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Do it.
5.
5. B equal to 5. Therefore, the required number is, if B is equal to, so unit place digit. Unit place digit is 5. So tens place will be, they differ by 3. So it is tens place B plus 3. B plus 3, that is 5. 5 plus 3. 8. Therefore, the number is, the required number is required number is 85. Required number is 85. What happened when we interchange? When we interchange, we will get 58. And what is 58 plus 85? 3, 143. See, we are getting the conditions given in the question. 58, 85 is the required number. When we interchange, we will get 58. If we add, you can check whether our answer is correct or not by adding 58 plus 85 equal to 143. Very important question. So using this, study this question first. Write and study this question first. After that, you can do the previous question I have given. Okay? All of you over this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have one more question. Write this one. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original same type, you get 88. What is the original number? Write the question. One second.